Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in accounting. But our topic today is not accounting, it's Excel. Splitting first and last names using Excel. And I was thinking about that today. I had a list of my students and I want to create a mailing for them, but only using their first name, not their full name. So how to split it? And then, okay, Excel can do that for us. So let's go to our Excel file. And remember, all of our Excel files are free and the link to download it is in our video description. So here we have a list of 20 names that are the actual Formula One drivers on 2023 season. And I add it in two ways. So the first one is kind of the American way. So last name, comma, first name. And this second column here, the same names, first and last name. So without any commas. So the first one here sorted alphabetically by the last names, the second one by the first name. So how do we do that? When we have a comma, that makes it much easier. With space, we need some adjustments. So okay, this first one with commas, how do we do that? Data text to columns. But first we need to select all of the columns. If we don't do that, it will split only this cell. So let's select all of them or only the cell that we want. Text to columns, and then delimited, because we will need a character to tell Excel this is the point where you will split their names. So here, what is the delimiters? What is the character that we will be splitting? So it's the comma. So here we are telling Excel, when you see the comma, split them in two. So here, and then next, finish it. Here is what do we have. So here, last name, and here first name. And here, all that we have is this space here that we didn't split it. So just select the first name, go on replace. So if you want to see where the replace is, so here, find and select, replace, space by nothing because there are no two first names, replace all, and now we delete all of the space. If you can go on first and last name, just move the last name here, and then go back here. We have the first and last names. What if we have no commas? So if we have no comma, we do the same. Oh, where are you? Text to columns, delimited. But now instead of comma, it will be the space. So here is space, and then we go on finish. What is the issue? And now the first name and last name. The issue is that here, two last names or something to name. So De Vries, that is off Vries in English. So then we need to add it manually. So here we can select this one, cut, and then space. And here we have it. So when there is no comma, it makes it a little bit harder, or you need some manual work. And if your list is 1,000 names, it can be harder, but much, much faster than you do it manually. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Questions or comments, just leave them here or email me. Have a very nice day and God bless you.